A train 100-meter long is moving with a constant velocity of 16 km/h to the power -1.
Kilometer per hour.
Find the time it takes to cross the bridge 1 kilometer long.
Okay. So the train is how much meter?
100 meters.
Okay, va? So it means it is the train. Connection of bogies. So this train distance evalava?
100 meters.
This is a 100 meters train. Okay, va? It is going to cross the bridge. Okay, va? This is bridge. Okay, so little dirty bridge. Don't ignore. Okay. So how much kilometer is this bridge? So the bridge is 1 kilometer. How much? 1 kilometer. So for the easy calculation purpose, what we can do? We want to convert into meters. So 1 kilometer into meters na, it is 1000 meters bridge. Oh my god. So it means it is 10 times of the train. It is 10 times of the train. Okay, va? So what they are asking is find the time it take to cross the bridge. Find the time. How to find the time? Find the time to cross the bridge. Okay, va? So this is the question. Okay. So the train travels in 60 km. Okay, va? So the speed is equal to what? 60 km per hour. Okay, va? So what is the formula? We know speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, va? In this question, speed is given, time is given. Time is given, time only not given. Distance given. We want to find the time. Then, so how to find the time? Okay, va? So time should come there, speed should come there. It means time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, va? So how much distance is there? How much distance is there? It is 1 kilometer. Okay, va? Plus this train is 100. The bridge is 1000 meters and the train is 100 meters. So totally how much is the distance? 1.1. Another 1.1 divided by what is the time taken? So what is the speed? 60. So 60 we want to do. So what is there? It should go back. So cancellation 11 by
1.1.
1.1 la 0.018. 0.018 hours. It means what is this? Within
0.0
hours is there.
18 minutes, I think.
Okay, but not it is in hours. It is in hours. So what we want to do now? We want to convert hours into minutes. Okay, va? Into 60 we want to do. So you do 60 into 18 and then 3 points are there. So what is the answer?
1.08 hours.
1.08 minutes. It means within 1 minute 8 seconds the train will cross the full bridge. Within 1.8 minutes it will travel. It will cross the bridge. Into seconds, if you want now, what you want to do? You want to again multiply into time.
68 seconds.
Okay, va? 60 if you do now, you will get the answer. Okay? This is a very practical and easy question. So simple. What formula? Speed is the distance by time. You want to find the time. So speed should come down, time should come left. So if you do substitution now, automatically very easily you can find the answer. Okay, va? ஸோ ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான கொஷின். ஒரு ட்ரெயின் வந்து 60 கிலோமீட்டர் வேகத்தில் போகுது. அப்போ வந்து பிரிட்ஜ் வந்து 1 கிலோமீட்டரு. அந்த ட்ரெயினோட லென்த் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா 100 மீட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது என்ன ஃபார்முலா? ஸ்பீட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பை டைம். அப்போ நம்ம பண்ணும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக நமக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பை டைம் கிடச்சிருச்சு. நம்ம சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோன்னா ஆன்சர் 0.018. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதை வந்து எப்படி நான் கால்குலேட் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னா, இது எனக்கு பாயிண்டில் இருந்தால் என்னால் ஈஸியாக கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்போ நான் எப்படி இந்த 1.18 வந்துச்சுன்னா, நான் மேலேயும் கீழேயும் என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னா இந்த கால்குலேஷனோட தனியாக போட்டு காமிக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஹவு டு டூ திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் கால்குலேஷன்ஸ் ஈஸிலி. If it is a point, it is very difficult for me to do the calculation. I am removing the points. So in order to remove this point, I want to bring it right hand side. So I'm multiplying by 10 in numerator and denominator. So this point will come right hand side, and here in denominator it will become 600. Now it is very easy to do division. Okay va? So 11 is there. 11 povama povadu. Then what we can do? Put to one point, put one 0. Okay va? Put one point and put one 0.
Still not.
Still it is not. So here put one 0. Again you want to put, you have to put
So
one
600
0.
into 1.
So 600 into 2 na 1200. So one time only it will go. So ones are in 600. 600 pochana micham evalavu 500. So 500 will go over? No. But one time if you put 0, no. So another time also we can put 0. So how many times it will go? It can go in 8 times. 8 times in another. 6 8s are 40. 8 6 are 48. Okay, va? 4800. So 200 is there. So again 2 like that it will keep on going. So I got one answer is 0.018. That is like that only we should do this. Clear? It's a simple max only. So that's standard 4th standard max. So yeah, of course you could have forgotten. So use this tricks. You can easily find the solution.